Welcome, in front of me is a HAFURY GT20 and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started you want to hold your power button and select, or technically hold, power off. When you hold it, it changes into reboot to safe mode. So you want to confirm by selecting OK, and now all you need to do is wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. So in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so you can troubleshoot your device. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is hold your power button and this time around tap on the restart. The device will reboot, and once it boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.